Recursion. If you have a subroutine that lists the contents of directories and recursively calls itself to list the contents of any subdirectories it finds, you can call it on the top level directory and it eventually lists all the files. To understand how recursion works, just look at the following pseudocode. Subroutine list recursively will have open folder, then for each item in the folder, if it is a file, print its name, else if it is a folder, again called list recursively. So, we will try to write another program that does just that. A recursive subroutine is defined simply as a subroutine that calls itself. Just look at the program which uses a recursive subroutine that lists a file system. This program uses list recursively subroutine to list the subtree of a file system. $directory is a variable used to receive the argument passed to the subroutine. File is an array. The argument received is opened using opendir and the contents are read using readdir, ignoring dot and double dot which are stored in the array file. If the directory entry is a regular file, it is printed, and if it is a subdirectory, again call the subroutine list recursively which will open that directory and read the contents to the file array. The snapshot of the output of the given program is on the screen. It is similar to the previous output. Both the programs also look similar. Here, the main program simply calls a recursive subroutine, giving it a directory name as list recursively pdb. This is just like any other subroutine call. The recursion is defined within the subroutine. When the program finds that one of the contents of the directory that its listing is itself a directory, the subroutine is called again to list its contents.